फंक्शनिंग ऑफ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम के क्या क्या फंक्शन होते हैं दैट वी विल सी। ठीक है, हमने कमांड लाइन इंटरफेस देख लिया एंड वी हैव सीन जीयूआई आल्सो, राइट। नाउ फंक्शनिंग ऑफ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम के क्या फंक्शन होते हैं दैट वी विल सी। Here some typical operating system functions may include many memory files, processors, input output system device and security, right? See what work we can do with the help of operating system. What is saying? Process management, memory management, file management, device management, input output system management, secondary storage management, security and command interruption as well as networking. Right, these all jobs done by the operating system only. As we have discussed, operating system always work as a like manager. It manage all the operation of your computer. आपके कंप्यूटर के सारे ऑपरेशन कौन मैनेज करता है? ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम मैनेज करता है, राइट। So here it is given process management. The process management helps OS to create and delete process, and it's also provide mechanism for synchronizing and communication among process, right? मीन्स जो भी प्रोसेस आपके क्रिएट होते हैं और डिलीट होते हैं उनको कौन मैनेज करता है? दैट इज मैनेज बाय ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम ओनली, राइट। मेमोरी इज आल्सो मैनेज्ड बाय ओनली ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. इट इज गिवन मेमोरी मैनेजमेंट मॉड्यूल परफॉर्म द टास्क ऑफ एलोकेशन एंड de-allocation of memory space, right? Like when you install operating system, your hard disk is not having a partition, right? But when you start installing operating system, when you start formatting your computer, your hard disk has been formatted in different parts, like your C drive. C drive is our primary drive where our program files saved. Along with it, other drives like D drive, E drive, whatever drives we are making, that is divided with the help of memory management system, right? And when you create any data or when you save any data, it always asks you to save it at desired location. How it is happening? It is happening because of memory management, right? Because of operating system. Now next is file management. As I told you yesterday also, when you create any file folder, right, it is also done by the operating system itself, right? So it is given, it manages all the file related activities such as organization, store, retrieval, naming, sharing and production of files, right? These all things are done by with the help of operating system. Now there is device management, right? It is showing device management keeps track of all devices. Device management जो है वो सारे devices को क्या करता है? ट्रैक करता रहता है, right? Whether it is working properly or not. You have observed it when you on your computer. जब अपने कंप्यूटर को आप ऑन करते हो तो क्या होता है? At that time it check your all computer parts. ये आपके सारे कंप्यूटर के पार्ट्स को क्या करता है? चेक करता है. One by one it checks all computer parts, and if everything is okay, then your computer is in like you can say on position. That process is known as BIOS, right? It is say all the hardware. Understand? Now there is input-output system management. Whatever like things you are having like all input devices, like all output devices, it is also managed by your operating system. Now, right now there is secondary storage management. Primary storage is also managed by operating system only, and along with it secondary storage is also managed by our operating system. Secondary storage को भी कौन manage करता है? Operating system ही manage करता है, right? When you inject any secondary storage device in your USB port, कोई भी like आप पेन ड्राइव लगाते हो या like external hard disk लगाते हैं, तो क्या होता है? It install driver. First of all, it install driver, then it check your storage. Understand? And if you want to save or transfer any data, that is also done by operating system. Right. Now there is security. As we have, security is very major concern of computers. Like you are using online systems, and during online, your data is saved in during online. You are connected with internet, and along with it, you are getting threats also. Safe threat, you require firewalls and antiviruses. So it is also done by your operating system. Right. Now command interruption. Whatever command you give, whatever input you give, it is given. A distributed system is a group of processes which do not share memory, hardware device or clock. The process communication with other to the network, right? Networking also handled by the operating system, right? When you connect two or more than two computers in a network, it create network. ये नेटवर्क क्रिएट करता है. लेकिन जब आप क्या करते हैं, जब आप उसी नेटवर्क को आप क्या करेंगे, उसी नेटवर्क को आप you want to share some devices, you want to share few files, then at that time what you will do, you will use networking and you will use the operating system. Understand? Now next is communication management. What is communication management actually? Like, we are using different kind of software, and every software required a, you can say, compiler or interpreter. ठीक है? Every software, हर software different type का क्या चाहिए होता है? हाँ, कंपाइलर चाहिए होता है या इंटरप्रेटर चाहिए होता है कि जो कि आपके हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज को मशीन लैंग्वेज में कन्वर्ट कर सके. So for that also we require operating system. Understand? तो उसके लिए भी हमें क्या चाहिए होता है? ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम चाहिए होता है. राइट. नाउ इट इज गिवन फीचर ऑफ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम के फीचर क्या है? तो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम के फीचर देखिए क्या है. प्रोटेक्ट एंड सुपरवाइज बोथ, allow this access, yes, allow see. Now the next is, yes, you are able to see the hierarchy of कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. सीपीयू के अंदर क्या हायरार्की होती है? लाइक यूजर इज देयर, देन एप्लीकेशन इज देयर, देन ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, देन हार्डवेयर. यूजर ऑलवेज रिक्वेस्ट, then that request goes to the application, you can say. After cell it goes to kernel and cell, both are in operating system only, and then it goes to hardware. ठीक है? तो ये आपका क्या है? हायरार्की है. तो हम लोगों ने क्या डिस्कस किया था इसमें, फीचर ऑफ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम में. ठीक है? अलाउ डिस्क एक्सेस एंड फाइल सिस्टम डिवाइस ड्राइवर नेटवर्किंग सिक्योरिटी में होते हैं. तो ये आपका ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम जो है ये अलाउ करता है कि आपको डिस्क एंड along with it program execution. Program execution is also done by an operating system. Now memory management, virtual, it is done by an operating system. हैंडलिंग इनपुट आउटपुट ऑपरेशन, जो भी आप इनपुट देते हैं उसका आउटपुट आता है, ये किसके द्वारा होता है? इट इज ऑल्सो डन बाय एन ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम। मैनिपुलेटिंग ऑफ फाइल सिस्टम, किसी फाइल को क्रिएट करना या रीनेम करना, ये किसका वर्क होता है? इट इज ऑल्सो वर्क ऑफ एन ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम। So error detection and handling is done by an operating system. Now there is resource allocation. Resource allocation जो है along with it information and resource protection. It is also done by with the help of operating system. ठीक है? So it was total of your chapter, and let me check anything left. Then we will do it. Now we will discuss about mobile operating system, right? This which we have discussed, it is for your operating system related issues. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about your mobile operating system, right? मोबाइल में हमारे कौन कौन से ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम हम यूज करते हैं? तो मोबाइल के अंदर जो है हम लोग एंड्रॉइड, राइट, सिमाइन, विंडोज फोन, एप्पल, ठीक है, ये डिफरेंट टाइप के